Hey all, good evening everyone. I'm going to make a quick YouTube video here for a problem on a 98 Escort that I figured out. I'm going to link it to a couple of other videos that were very helpful for me because without it I would not have figured out this problem. But I want to give you a little bit more than just finding it. I'm going to show you how I fixed it. So the problem started with a bad battery here. The old one was getting corroded here around the terminal points. This terminal point here I had to replace. You can tell that's a new one. So when I replaced that, I somehow inadvertently, this is the fuel pump relay right here that's grounded there. The old one, when I was cutting it off, and you can see down in here there's a couple of different cables coming off of that negative that go ground elsewhere. In the process, I knocked this loose and I did not realize it. So when I got the new battery in here, seated, everything, I just wasn't getting, the car was turning over just fine, but it wasn't starting. I tried some starter fluid, nothing was working. So did a little research, and again, that's where I'll link these other videos. But long story short, this fuel pump relay here, which I'm going to try and get in a little closer, is grounded now on this negative terminal post right here. I don't know exactly where it was. There's a couple of other cables. I could not find a natural place where it was grounded, but with the corrosion and everything else, I must have just knocked it loose. It was just dangling back here behind the battery. There was another video that showed that this is where the fuel pump relay is, and I think he was having some issues too, but this was my specific issue. So I wanted to make this video to show you that. So once I got this grounded, again, I grounded it right here on the terminal post. You could ground it different places. But once that got grounded, car turned over, started up first time, no issues. Hope this is helpful for someone. And again, I'm gonna go pan out a little bit here so you can see the entire driver's side of the engine compartment. But right in here, this is the battery, and it's right behind it, almost up against the firewall back there. And hopefully this helps. Thanks, everybody.